Hey guys, guess what we are doing? We are moving! I am moving out of Bloxburg. So let's see what the house looks like emptied. Yeah, this is where my couch was, where my TV was. The bathroom is the exact same because you can't really take a bathroom with you. But this is the guest bedroom. Also where Flower slept in Flower and Marigold. Yeah, but it is official. I am leaving this place. I am selling it for $500. Here is my bedroom in my closet. Yeah, you can see my closet is empty. Yeah, everything is gone. That was a part. This thing was a part of the house, so I'm leaving it here. It was there when I moved in. Yes, I'm leaving it here. But oh my goodness, jeez, my house, it's empty. The kitchen's obviously staying. I'm leaving everything in my fridge here. The kitchen's gotta stay. It was a part of the house. And I can't remove it for the people who move in here. To completely having to make a new kitchen. So I'm leaving the kitchen here. It's probably impossible to take it off. But yeah, it's time. It's moving day. Let's get out of here. We got to get out of this house. Like, knock on wood, but yeah, it's time to get out of here. Like I was saying, we gotta get out of here. Because, it's just time that we leave. Yeah, so I am going to pack up everything and move over to Brookhaven. I will see you there. Alright guys, so we are in my brand new neighborhood, and it is Brookhaven. Yes, so I'm driving to my new house. Gonna open my garage door. And close it. Alright guys, we are here in my brand new house. I cannot wait for you guys to see the inside. So we already filled it up. Here we are. This is my new house. I wonder what new places and things I will be able to explore here. What is this? Is this the basement? Oh, it's a little playroom for when I have kids one day. Let's get upstairs, see what my upstairs, and I have my bedroom. Oh, here's the guest bedroom. I think this might actually be mine, because it's got my computer. Or this one could be mine, but it has the safe. So. Actually, this is going to be mine. The one with the bunk bed is gonna be the guest room, and this will be my office area. But this is the guest room. Yes, but this is my brand new bedroom. It got a bathroom and everything. Wow, I can't believe I'm finally in Brookhaven. I should have left Bloxburg many years ago. Yeah, I miss my old house already, but I just like this neighborhood better. There's like this random guy right here. There's like this random guy. Why is there a random guy at my house? Oh no, I'm just gonna ignore him. But anyways, guys, this is official. We have moved. What is this? Oh, it's a vacuum cleaner. But guys, it is official. We have moved. And I love my new house. It is amazingly good. I just love it so much. And I'm glad that I finally moved here. This Brookhaven neighborhood is so cool. And I love it. So hopefully you guys can see more Brookhaven videos on my channel. It's not that I will never go to see Bloxburg again. I will visit the place sometimes, but yeah, I've moved here, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!